Okay, so the 10-day growth schedule. So guitar solos and microgreens. So um, I think it was Gary Keller's book where he wanted to learn all these like classic rock guitar solos, and his guitar teacher said just all you need to learn is the blues minor scale. So the 10-day growth schedule for microgreens is the blue minor scale for guitar. So if you want to rock out on microgreens, you want to learn this schedule. So you definitely want to master the basics before you expand, but once you grow a few rounds, like I said, you'll get good at microgreens quite quickly. And the more you simplify, the more you can branch out. Consolidating growth schedules, this allows us to have one planting day and one harvest day. And then because 3 of the 10 days are stacked in germination, 7 of those days are under light. That means once I harvest everything under lights, that same day I unstack everything and then water it, and the schedule starts over again. So to see it laid out, here's my schedule. So I planted today, Friday. Yesterday I soaked peas overnight, and then they go 1, 2, 3 days. So day 3 on Monday, we will unstack. They go under lights, and then we water them if they're under lights. They get watered a few days. I don't water the day before harvest. Actually, it's almost 48 hours before harvest. And then on Monday, day 10, we harvest. So this spans, a week and a half. Now, it might become more clear when you stack 2 growth schedules together. Because when you do that, you see we plant on Friday, unstack Monday, and then on Friday again, we plant. And then we harvest the first round, we unstack and water the new round, and then it starts over. So again, to make that even clearer, that creates a basic schedule of Friday is planting day, Monday we harvest, Monday we unstack and water. Now you could go deliver Monday. I deliver mine Tuesday, Wednesday, just because it gives me more flexibility, and a lot of restaurants aren't open on Mondays. But to include everything beyond just the core functions, you can see Sunday, I don't water. Monday, we harvest and unstack. Wednesday, we water. Thursday night, we soak peas. Friday, we plant and then water while we're here. And then Saturday, we do a light watering if anything's looking kind of wilty. It wouldn't make it to Monday. So I have I have an ebook that has this all included as a worksheet for everyone too. But essentially, there's a blank version of both of these where you can plug in what your harvest date is going to be. I always recommend planning your production around your harvest, because if you have a market on Saturday, you need to plan for harvesting Thursday or Friday. If you want to deliver to chefs on Tuesday, then you need to work backwards from there. It's all dependent on what your schedule is. I've changed my harvest and planting days in different periods of my life when I had different requirements outside of the farm. So one thing that's nice is that you can, like, these are the core functions, right? But you can, there's other things. There's filling trays with soil. There's prepping the seed. There's cleaning trays. Like, you can either cram all those into 1 or 2 days, or you can spread them out through the week. So as I've done this full time now, I've kind of gotten to more doing a little bit each day, which in Lean, in Ben Hartman's book, Lean Farm, he calls that leveling the load. So, but when I first started, I was working a full-time job and I had Wednesdays off. So literally I would plant on Sunday, and then Wednesdays I would harvest and deliver and clean and do pretty much everything I could. So you can contract or expand it to whatever your life requires at its current stage.